Hey guys, so a couple weeks ago we went to the EM Precise open house. That is our local tool distributor. They're not too far down the street. We get a lot of local stuff from them. They had a big open house, a lot of cool vendors, a lot of cool people. Learned a lot. Check it out.
A compression cutter for carbon fiber so you don't delaminate it. That's cooling through.
I was able to see those holes. Yeah, that's cool.
What's the diameter?
I think that's a mil and a half. So 1.5 mils.
The 16th of an inch, basically?
Yeah.
What do you guys do?
We make knives.
Make
Knives.
Oh, knives. Okay. Yeah, we used to sell the guys that made knives and stuff like that. Yeah. Anything in particular, like CNC lathes, milling?
Yeah, CNC lathe and mill. I've got a Hymatech on my lathe.
Oh, do you? Okay, Nakamura. Okay. Yeah.
Made that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we made every component.
click it down.
Custom design mechanism.
Now try and release it.
No twisting.
No twisting? Nobody's going to hurt it.
That one doesn't have Loctite on it.
Yeah, still.
Hey, you got it.
Nice. Very nice. Well, that's nice. That locks really nice.
Yeah, we manufacture every component. We make the pivot, the screws,
Bearings.
everything.
That's beautiful.
Time Mascus pocket clip.
Yes. That's gorgeous.
You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now.
How's it going?
Good, thanks. How are you? Yeah. Mike Rubchuk. How are you?
Mike.
Yeah. So, very, very good grip force. In case you have the dual contact, they now have it with dual contact. The nice thing is, stick your tool in, gives the set screw a little turn, you're done, and it's enough holding force that you can do roughing with it.
Yeah.
I like the sound of that.
Hydraulic, right?
Yeah.
It's a hydraulic mechanism. The screw pushes a plunger that pressurizes the hydraulic bladder and seizes the tool in there. Very, very accurate and run out, very high grip force. These are awesome.
So Tribos, Shunk calls Tribos polygonal clamping technology. So essentially, this is Shunk's alternative to a shrink fit. So essentially, the bore has been EDM'd in out around. So you have 3 points of contact. Whoa. With a reduction sleeve here. So you touch on 3 points. So what happens is you actually squeeze the holder and squeeze it round.
Yeah.
So you squeeze the holder, it squeezes round, it opens up, it allows you to do a tool change. So you locate your tool like this, turn your lock on your pump. We'll actuate our pump. I know we got to get to about 280 bar for this tool holder.
There you go.
Tools out, tools back in. So no heat, so it doesn't shrink up, it doesn't dry up on you, so you can set that length to whatever you want, right? So you set that length just perfectly. Release your pressure, you're back in your machine. There's no wait time. That's a really nice feature of this, right?
Keep on moving to the purpose now. To the ending of the ocean.
What's the trick here? I know there's something hidden somewhere.
It is a pen.
It is a pen.
Yeah.
Is it just a pen? Really?
But it's not just a pen. It is the pen.
So how do I get it back up? Did I break it?
No. Keep trying. You've engaged it. Now you have to disengage it.
Am I going to hurt myself?
No.
Proto number 4.
Yeah, so everything on it is titanium except for the mechanism, which is 17/4 stainless.
Okay. That's a heavy pen.
You got it.
That's cool. There you go. It's nice. And you guys do every component?
Yep. Sure do.
What do they go for?
About $1,000 US.
What?
The pens are $250.
That's the only way we can afford this kind of stuff.
So who's buying them?
Collectors, like guys who like nice things.
Really?
Yeah. But everybody, like,
So what's the intended use for this style of knife? Is it
It's
like a
a-
hunting thing, or is it a
No.
what is it?
it's a quality piece of precision craftsmanship.
Yeah.
That let's take an item that is so normal, like a knife, a man's oldest tool kind of thing, and let's just make it the absolute best that we can. Kind of like how Minotaur makes calipers. It's like everything's got to be perfect, everything's got to be checked, every tolerance matters, and so we figured let's do that for the pen too. Let's make a pen that's just completely over the top, and let's do it all in house, all ourselves. Let's document the process, and so it's fun.
It's showing so it's a 1 micron jump, a 2 micron jump, 5 micron jump, and 10 micron jump. So as you slide it across, it's rung to the base, but if you check the dial, it's a lot more stable the way it jumps to each increment, as opposed to bounce around like they used to.
Once I thought you were mine, baby. We're safe and sound. You got me waiting. I'm on fire.
Are the inserts height adjustable or just not good?
No, it's what it does. Each insert is offset by 0.02 of an inch.
Okay.
So as it steps down, each insert is just licking away a little bit of material.
So the last one just has.
And the
guaranteed
last one-
2,000 cut.
Yeah. Now the other thing is you got a nice wide insert that provides that wiper action that cleans the surface very nicely, produces a very nice fine, smooth surface, and eliminates grinding applications. You can just do it in your mill. The other one that I think is really neat is this guy.
I was just looking at that. What the heck is that?
Now that one,
Can't do it without the wrench.
yeah. So
Oh, that's what the wrench is.
now, if you'll notice, we loosen the insert screw, and then use the magnet to take the insert out.
That's awesome.
Now this cutter, and Jeremy said it was 100 thou depth of cut.
Yeah, when he went to Windsor, he bumped it up.
That's
Yeah.
not bad.
At 100 thou depth of cut and 75% step over, he made this shoulder cut at 160 inches a minute. Titanium, barrel, stainless steel internal parts.
So we make all the screws on our neck and make every single component.
Pivots on the neck, the bearing cages on the neck.